Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix squeaky bed. So I bought this from Ikea, and then I bought sponge window seal. I'm going to show you how to do the how to fix it, and I bought those sticky pads, and those are I'm gonna fix it also on the bed frame. You can do it two ways. You can either stick the sponge foam seal on the bed frame, or the other way around. So as you can see here, I'm gonna do the other way around. I'm gonna stick the sponge seal, as you can see, like this. It's so easy. It's just gonna take maybe 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see here, I finished attaching all of the pads, and also I forgot to show you that I also fixed the circle pads on the edges. This should fix your squeaky bed.